Welcome to the future of AI. It's Claude 3.7 now, Anthropic's most advanced model yet. This model is here to change how we think about artificial intelligence. What makes Claude 3.7 stand out is being the first hybrid reasoning model. It means you get the best of both AI tastes. If you need lightning fast responses for quick tasks, it is ready to answer instantly. On the other hand, if you need to solve complex challenges like math problems or need to analyze data, then it will adopt step-by-step reasoning. As we all know the capabilities of Claude in coding, now with Claude Code, developers can debug, edit their codes, run tests, and even push code to GitHub, all from just one tool. It is like having a full-stack engineer in your pocket ready to code for you anytime 24/7. The best thing which makes this model superior than its ancestors is software engineering benchmark that is 13% higher now. Wow, 13% improvement is just insane. Another thing which is superb about Claude 3.7 is its massive 128K token context window. What it means? Simply you can now handle entire books, lengthy reports or massive code bases with ease. It does not stop there. Claude 3.7 is smarter and more accurate than ever. Now it has 45% less refusals on sensitive queries and a groundbreaking 70.3% accuracy on coding benchmarks. That is industry-leading performance. Are you ready to experience the next generation of AI? Give it a try today.